honestly, training with Praveen is very, very difficult. He's a monster. He becomes your coach. But I think it's good for yourself only.
Hey guys, warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are doing a vegan green chutney. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Before I show you the recipe, request you to please subscribe the channel, hit that bell icon so that you get intimation of all our videos. Now let's see the recipe. 1 cup spinach, half a cup coriander leaves, some ginger, garlic and coconut oil. First in a blender, I'm using a Morphe Richards blender. I'm going to add spinach, that's baby spinach. To that I'm going to add my coriander. There goes my coriander. Then I'm going to add some ginger and lastly some garlic. Now I'm going to blend the whole thing. Before I blend, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So our vegan green chutney is ready. You can see it has a really bright and colorful texture and taste. What you need to add to this is little lime, some salt. Optional, you can also add green chilli to the same. Our vegan green chutney is ready. This is an excellent dip, can be used as a starter with most of your snacks. Also can be used in your salads or with cucumber sticks. Lastly, it contains great amount of vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K. That means excellent source of folate and extremely good for your eyes. Thank you so much for watching our video. Lastly, please go on to the description link below to see what exactly I'm using. So I've mentioned the equipment I'm using, the ingredients I'm using, everything below in the description link. Thank you. See you soon.